Before you commit to buying VyprVPN, here are 12 things you need to know. We've compared it to other VPNs so you can make an informed decision. Stick around until the end to see if VyprVPN is the right choice for you, or if a better option is available. First thing you should know is that VyprVPN has its own infrastructure, unlike many other VPNs that rely on third-party servers. This gives VyprVPN more control over security and performance, which is great for privacy-conscious users. But keep in mind that not all competitors can say the same, so it's something to consider when choosing your VPN. Next thing, VyprVPN offers a wide selection of servers worldwide with over 70 locations in 64 countries. This is a significant advantage over some competitors that have fewer server options. If global access is important to you, VyprVPN has a solid network. Now let's talk about security. VyprVPN uses strong encryption standards, including the highly secure OpenVPN protocol, and it also supports WireGuard, which is becoming a favorite among VPN users for faster speeds. This level of encryption is on par with top competitors, but it's important to remember that VyprVPN owns and operates its servers, which may give it an edge over other providers who lease theirs. The fourth thing you should know is that VyprVPN does not keep logs of your activity. They have a strict no-logs policy, which is something many VPNs claim, but VyprVPN has actually been independently audited to confirm this. Some VPNs have had issues in the past with vague logging policies, so this is a point for VyprVPN. Another important point is their speed performance. VyprVPN offers reliable speeds, especially with their proprietary Chameleon protocol, which helps bypass network restrictions and throttling. This makes it a solid choice for streaming or heavy internet usage. However, depending on your location, you might find competitors like NordVPN or ExpressVPN offer similar speeds with slightly more consistent results in some regions. Next thing, VyprVPN provides an easy-to-use interface, making it accessible for beginners, while still offering advanced options for more experienced users. It's a great balance, though some competitors have slightly more intuitive apps, particularly for newer users. But VyprVPN isn't too far behind. The seventh thing is the price. VyprVPN tends to be on the higher end compared to some alternatives like Surfshark or private internet access. However, you do get a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you can try it risk-free to see if it's worth the investment. Moving on, VyprVPN has support for all the major platforms: Windows, macOS, iOS, and Android, and it allows for up to 5 simultaneous connections. This is standard across the industry, though some competitors offer more connections for the same price. The ninth point, VyprVPN offers dedicated IP addresses for an additional cost. This is a great feature if you need a fixed IP for tasks like accessing banking services or managing a business network remotely. Not all VPNs offer this option, so it's a benefit for users who require more personalized service. The 10th thing to consider is VyprVPN's customer support. They offer 24/7 support via live chat, which is great for resolving issues quickly. That said, some competitors, like ExpressVPN, may offer faster response times, though VyprVPN's support is generally reliable. 11th point, VyprVPN is a great option for streaming, with the ability to unblock major platforms like Netflix, BBC iPlayer, and Hulu. However, some competitors have more refined unblocking capabilities, so if you're primarily looking to stream, it might be worth checking if VyprVPN works in all regions where you want access. Finally, VyprVPN is a solid choice overall for security, privacy, and reliability. But if you're looking for a VPN with more servers, lower prices, or extra perks, like unlimited simultaneous connections, you might want to look at our recommended solution, which offers a free trial so you can try it risk-free. In conclusion, VyprVPN is a good option if you value security, privacy, and control over your own infrastructure. However, if you want a better deal with more features, be sure to check out our recommended alternative.